Welcome back to Pretty's. Of course, you're vibing with Cosmo right here. We're still traveling. Road to say no. Now let's get into the brand new music videos we have right here on Pretty's. You guys are going to be excited to see what we're having unleashing this week. Of course, this one comes to us from Marshall, Montana. It's called Vibes Can't Done. My best Trinity accent and I try, you know. And Popcorn, the only man she want. Yo, watch the videos right here. Pretty's.
Oh gosh, the vibes can't done.
She very special, yeah, very special. Like a dry line, and all line. So I'm up on the front line, all night. If we buy all the world in a starch, the house and the car. Still she won't give me the thing in the restroom and the bar. Hey, she willing for one for the pool, willing to give me anywhere for the tool. All when you must search a bar for one, a popcorn, every ringtone. Him go around call her horse. Them friends say the relationship poor. As him talk and turn him back, she a link up over Portmore. Him tell her to stop. Say him a go chop. Say him a go shoot. Say him a go shot popcorn. And the only man she want.
Now calm down, calm down. I won't jump, I promise you, but music lovers gather closer to the TV, or better yet, turn up your TV. It's now time for the Lime Top 10 Singles Chart. We have the hottest songs right here lined up for you guys now. I wonder who's going to be number one, starting off the year right. Would it be Conscience? Ding, would it be Cartel? Mad. Check it out right here. Pretty's.
Where you road and some boy still a place cover now don't want none. Put me hand on the Bible, me swear to your honor. Believe me, I gal over gun. International gal is a woman and me yard in a bed, so my sleep and rum. Every minute, every second, I'm thinking about you, girl. Oh, and I know it's a blessing that you are in my world, baby. Why don't you come over? Long to spend some time with you. Why don't you?
The only man she want, the only man she want, yeah. Our man says she very special, yeah, very special. Like a dry line, and all line. So I'm up on the front line, all line.
Them want take me life, take me life. Want take me life, take me life. Want take me life, take me life. Bad mind, bad mind. Them want take me life, take me life. Want take me life, take me life.
You make calling on my bed, make me turn up the flame, yeah. Vanity no move, me no switch to my brain, yeah. Me prefer take a bullet and fall like the rain, yeah. Father, this girl come feed the sugar cane, yeah. Me so honey do me no miss when me aim, yeah. Prima to the La Vega to 12 lanes, yeah.
How many security? Too many men are standing in front of me. How many security? As we reach at the bar, them attacks and tear me. How many security? Champagne done, why them drinking up my Hennessy? How many security?
Clean up, every day I make clean. I don't know where I make clean. Clean up, every day I make clean.
If me coulda take back the touch, woulda take it back. But a man don't love it already. So while the chat to a chat, girl chat to my back. Me come my whole and pan him steady. From me back come, never give me sitting. Them love mommy wine and I wiggle you wiggle. Talk.
The girl them know, fresh every day and such. The thugs them know, when me touch my beer.
Why free?
We not frightened for nobody, but we respect everybody, and we better than everybody. So me we run where anybody. No boy no better than we. No boy no better than we. Step on me can and say, them no for dance and...
No, I'm not even going to pretend as if I know where I'm at. You know, them call me countryman, but I can swear we're on somewhere between the border of Portmore and Kingston. Don't kill me if me don't know. But this is our final commercial break, and of course, we still have a lot more right here on Pretty's. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back.